Hello, welcome to AI Factory. Imagine a world where AI breathes life into serene landscapes, a cozy cottage amidst falling snow, a cabin with a fireplace offering castle views, and hot air balloons against dreamy skies. This marvel has charmed over 10 million Instagram fans, not just on Instagram, but platforms like TikTok are also abuzz with these captivating videos, showcasing their widespread popularity and opening vast business opportunities. Amidst life's haste, these videos offer a peaceful refuge, a blend of AI's creativity and the untouched beauty of nature, easily crafted with simple tools. Okay, let's start. This type of landscape video typically consists of two elements: static scenery combined with localized dynamic effects. AI can generate these landscape images, which are then enhanced with peaceful music to create the final video. It's a simple process, isn't it? We use Leonardo.AI, an AI drawing tool. When using it for the first time, you can directly register with a Google account. After receiving an invitation notification, you can log in and use it. This will bring you to Leonardo's homepage. We find fine-tune models and select a model you like. I prefer Dreamshaper. Then enter and generate with this model to navigate to the image generation page. Request 2 images with a 9:16 ratio. Here, write a simple prompt: winter sky, magic, fantasy colors. Click generate and wait a few seconds. What nice images! Now we need to use CapCut, a free video editing tool. First, import the winter sky image that I generated and drag it down. Here, we want to know if there is a snow image shown in the CapCut library. Click the library and on the search bar search snow. We can use the first one. Add it and put it on the top of the sky image. This time we need to get rid of the green color and we can use cutout. Click the chroma key checkbox and use this color picker for the green color. Then adjust the strength to 100. You can see that all the green color is gone. To make the snow a little clearer and whiter, we need to find the saturation in the adjustment here. Turn it down to -50 and then turn the brightness up to 50. Make several copies of the snow pictures. Make the size larger and place it in different positions in the sky. Click audio and search for suitable music. Trim the music to ensure all video lengths are the same. This snowing video is finished. Isn't it beautiful? Let's proceed to create our second video featuring hot air balloons floating through a dreamy sky. Begin by sourcing images and videos from excellent free resources like pxels.com and pixabay.com, which I highly recommend based on personal use. Additionally, CapCut offers a rich library of media and music perfect for video editing. Moving on to image editing, aim for pictures with as clean a background as possible for easier cut. This blue background works well. If Photoshop isn't an option, try the free online tool, Photopea. I'll be demonstrating with Photoshop. Since the background color is blue, I select blue in the drop-down menu, select, I find similar, click on it, and the blue background is selected. Then I go to the select menu again and find invert, click it. Go to the layers panel, click on the mask, and you will see only one hot air balloon in the image. Save it in PNG format. In CapCut, import the sky video and the hot air balloon image. Then drag them down, place the hot air balloon image on the top layer and adjust its length to match the sky video. Position it near the bottom left corner, create a keyframe for the position and scale it to a larger size. Move the timeline to the last frame, reposition the image to the top right corner, and reduce its size, adding another keyframe. This process is designed to synchronize the movement of the hot air balloon with the sky background. Select suitable music and add it down. Trim out music. Let's see the result. I'm ready to guide you through creating our third video featuring a cabin with a fireplace that offers stunning views of a castle. This captivating cabin, complete with expansive windows and a stove, is crafted using Leonardo.AI. Simply access Leonardo.AI, select image generation, and adjust the settings for 2 images with a 9:16 ratio. Input the prompt, a fireplace in a charming cottage with a big window. Shortly after, you'll be presented with 2 enchanting images. Curious for more options, I generated another 2 images. Next, to capture the castle view outside the window, I used the prompt, a stunning castle surrounded by soft, white snow. Leonardo then produced 2 exceptionally beautiful images of a white castle for me. To cut out the window in Photoshop, first open the program and import the cabin image. Use the polygonal lasso tool to select the window's glass edges. Hold Shift to add to your selection, ensuring all glass parts are included. Next, navigate to the Select menu and choose Invert. Proceed to the Layers panel, select the mask icon, and the glass will be removed. Save it in PNG format. For video editing, I'm turning to CapCut once more. First, open CapCut and import the cabin PNG image. Next, add it to the Layer panel and find snow in the Material library. Add it to the Layer panel, similar to the technique used in the first snow video. Activate the cutout feature, use the chroma key to pick the green color and adjust the strength to 100. Then modify the saturation to -50 and increase the brightness to +50. Then enlarge this layer to fully cover the window. Shift the layer to the bottom, ensuring the snow effect is active. Next, import the castle image, placing it under the snow layer. Adjust its position and size for a more natural-looking view. To duplicate the snow layer, use Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Trim the snow layers. To add a fire animation to the image, return to the library and search for Fire. Select the first option and place it on the top layer. Resizing is needed. In the top right video panel, click on Mask and choose the rectangle selection, positioning the mask correctly. Adjust the feather setting to blur the fire's edges and round the corners for a softer look. Then, resize the fire animation to fit over the cabin's fireplace accurately. Trim the video length, ensuring all layers are in order. Finally, search for calm music, select a fitting track for the scene, add it to the project, and trim as necessary. Now, it's ready to be presented. Creating these videos is easy and offers great business potential. Dive into crafting dynamic wallpapers from your videos, tapping into a market eager for unique, captivating content on both Android and Apple devices. Ignite excitement and venture into a profitable journey with your creative flair. Start now and watch your creations become the highlight on many screens. Stay tuned for more content about using AI tools to generate income coming up on my channel.